Hey, let's be honest. Most people trying to break into cybersecurity are going to fail actually. And not because they're not smart, not because they don't have certifications, but because they're following a broken strategy. So I see it every single day. And in this video, I'm simply going to break down exactly why people stay stuck and how I personally help people fix it. Here's the problem. Here's the truth that nobody tells you. People treat cybersecurity like it's a checklist. Get Security Plus, learn the tool, and then apply to 100 jobs a day. But then they wonder why nothing happens. And let me give you the real issues. Problem one, there's no clear direction. People say, I want to get into cybersecurity, but they don't know what lane they're targeting. Is it IM? Is it SOC? Is it cloud security? Or even is it GRC? That alone is why you're stuck. Problem two, there's no real experience translation. You might already have experience in help desk, desktop support, even customer service, but you don't know how to position in a way that screams, I'm ready for cybersecurity. So the recruiters just simply skip over you, or artificial intelligence throw your resume in the trash. Problem three is a weak resume strategy. Most resumes I see, they look like job descriptions. They don't show any impact. No metrics, no identity related work, no alignment with what hiring managers actually want. Problem four, no guidance. You're guessing, watching random YouTube videos, reading Reddit threads, trying to piece everything together. That's the slowest way to break in actually. Now, here where things start to change. I've worked in identity and access management, and I've personally helped people that are in help desk roles, desktop support, or have no experience at all actually get professional enterprise experience. Not by luck, but by strategy. I've had people come to me saying, hey, I've been applying for months and I'm not hearing anything back. So what we work on is their resume positioning, their story, their technical focus, and then suddenly they start getting interviews. That's not a coincidence. That's called structure. So what do I do differently from everyone else? I focus on three things. I give you a clear lane. We don't just do cybersecurity as a whole. We pick a lane actually, and that is IM, identity and access management. And we build everything around that. Then I translate your experience. I take what you already have and I turn it into identity lifecycle experience, access control knowledge, and security relevant work. Now your resume actually makes sense. Also, I give you a real strategy, not theory. I give you actual resume optimization, interview answers, real world IM concepts, and what hiring managers are actually looking for. So if you're watching this and you're like, yeah, that's literally me, then I offer two ways I can help you. Option one is a 1-hour consultation. We sit down one-on-one. I break down your situation and I give you a clear, actionable roadmap. Option two is a full mentorship. This is where we dive deeper. Resume transformation, interview coaching, deeper IM roadmaps, different options and tools, and direct guidance until you're ready. Essentially, I'm working with you until you sign an offer letter that you're comfortable with. This isn't guesswork. This is the same structure that people are actually breaking in to cybersecurity with. They just have a mindset and structure. If you're tired of being stuck and you want a real plan instead of guessing, look in the description for all the information that you need. And if nothing else, stop trying to do this blindly because that's exactly why most people fail.